From the Albuquerque Journal, this is the leading news. I'm Gino Gutierrez. It's Wednesday, May 27th. Here's what we're covering on today's episode. A sweeping state audit found deep-rooted management and governance failures across Doña County, with State Auditor Joseph Maestas warning the county needs major cultural and operational reforms. The 355-page report uncovered problems ranging from financial mismanagement and procurement violations to public records failures and low employee trust. Auditors also criticized the county's handlings of disputes with Sheriff Kim Stewart, saying clearer procedures could have avoided costly legal battles. Other findings included unreported inmate fund misuse, improper accounting of hospital lease revenue, and long-standing misuse of assessor office funds. The report recommends creating an inspector general position and says the county's progress will be monitored through future audits. Officials say corrective actions are already underway, but Maestas warned, quote, "A lot of work remains to rebuild trust and accountability." Lovelace Health System and Blue Cross Blue Shield of New Mexico reached a new 4-year agreement on Monday, avoiding a looming coverage dispute for tens of thousands of New Mexicans just before their previous contract was set to expire on June 1st. The deal keeps Lovelace hospitals and clinics in network for all Blue Cross Blue Shield New Mexico plans, including commercial coverage, Medicare Advantage, and Turquoise Medicaid. About 79,000 Lovelace patients use Blue Cross Blue Shield New Mexico insurance, while the insurer covers roughly 700,000 people statewide. Lovelace officials say the negotiations centered on securing reimbursement rates comparable to other insurers, arguing that Blue Cross Blue Shield New Mexico have been paying less. The financial details of the agreement have not been disclosed. The agreement comes as Lovelace continues expanding across New Mexico, including new urgent care locations in Albuquerque, Rio Rancho, Taos, and Bernalillo. Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham announced a major expansion of the New Mexico Health Professional Loan Repayment Program aimed at tackling the state's severe doctor shortage, with 32 of New Mexico's 33 counties facing critical care gaps. Under the new program, physicians can receive up to $75,000 annually in student loan repayment for 4 years, totaling as much as $300,000. That's a sharp increase from the previous cap of $25,000 per year over 3 years. Other healthcare workers, including nurses and physical therapists, remain eligible for up to $25,000 annually. The expansion follows recent medical malpractice reforms signed by Lujan Grisham that are expected to lower medical malpractice insurance costs for doctors. State officials say New Mexico currently faces a shortage of more than 5,000 healthcare workers, while nearly 40% of all physicians are expected to retire by 2030. Supporters hope the enhanced incentives will attract doctors to underserved communities and encourage them to stay long-term here in New Mexico. And the Albuquerque International Sunport is nearing completion of its multi-year Dream of Flight renovation project, with the opening of 2 new local dining spots, Laguna Burger and Frank's Famous Chicken and Waffles. The additions are part of a roughly $90 million effort to modernize the airport with upgraded dining, retail, and infrastructure, while showcasing New Mexico's businesses and culture. Both restaurants open near gates A4 and A6 and are accessible to travelers and fly-side pass holders. City leaders say the project was designed to give visitors an authentic taste of New Mexico. Laguna Burger, founded by Laguna Development Corporation, grew from a popular green chili cheeseburger stand tied to Laguna Pueblo traditions. Frank's Famous Chicken and Waffles, a longtime Nob Hill favorite, began as a family-run soul food venture started by former New Mexico Lobos player Frank Willis. The Sunport says only one dining concept remains before the airport's food renovation project is finally complete. The leading news is powered by the journalism of the Albuquerque Journal. If you enjoy hearing all of the stories we share with you here daily, please consider becoming a digital subscriber to the Journal by utilizing the discount code in our show notes. Every subscription helps support local journalism and allows us to provide you with the news that matters to you. Now taking a look at Albuquerque's weather forecast, today you can expect sunny skies with a high near 86, and as for this evening, clear skies with a low around 55. To keep up with all the latest news from the Albuquerque Journal, you can visit our website at abqjournal.com. That's the leading news. I'm Gino Gutierrez. We'll be back tomorrow.